Shalom. My name is Rabbi Tamah Davis Hart, and I'm a Messianic Jew who received my education from both Jewish and Christian institutions, which makes my education quite unique. I trained under the Rosh Rebbe Milcom ben David of Beth Elohim Messianic Synagogue for over 15 years. I gained additional training from a rabbi who served in Tampa for many years as well, from a conservative perspective. I hold a doctorate in theology, a master's in biblical studies, a PhD in nursing, and a bachelor's degree in biology. I'm a veteran of the Army Reserve, Active Navy, and Guam Army National Guard. I left the service as a captain in the Army Reserve in the field of nuclear, biological, and chemical warfare. I completed my military career at Fort Riley, Kansas with the 1st Infantry Division. I was an advanced practice registered nurse as well on the outside, specializing in family practice for 12 years, and I served as the cantor of Beth Elohim while receiving my rabbinical training. I was ordained as a rabbi in 2001, and I assumed the mantle of the Rosh Rebbe at Beth Elohim Messianic Synagogue after my preceptor, mentor, and husband, Milcom ben David, otherwise known as Phil Davis, was gathered to our people in August 2013. As the rabbi of Beth Elohim Messianic Synagogue in Inverness, Florida, I've lectured in a few of the local institutions, college, Christian churches, and other organizations on subjects such as the Jewish roots of Christianity, the truth of God's grace and law, and the definition of a true believer as stated by Yeshua, who Christians call Jesus. I'm available for lectures, presentations, and I certainly invite you to go to our website at rabdavis.org if you have any questions or comments, any suggestions on subjects you would like me to address on future podcasts. Truly, with God's help and the help of my technical advisor, we'll be with you for some time, and I hope you stay for the ride. Thank you for watching.